Hi guys! And welcome back to my channel. This is my first... Sorry, medyo nahihirapan akong magsalita kasi meron akong singaw ngayon guys. You know, like old videos. Ngayon na lang ako ulit nagkakasingaw. But this is my first video for the year 2022. Sorry, medyo busy talaga lately. And late ko na nagawa ng video itong review na ito. So for today's video, ay mag-review naman tayo ng mga products from Bilena. Bilena is the brand na kinalakihan natin. Yung mga ka-age ko, lumaki talaga sa brand na to. Like, ito yung ginagamit namin na brand. We will try this. Okay? So, ayan. Bilena for every beauty. You can follow them at Facebook, Bilena Cosmetics, IG, Bilena Official, Twitter, Bilena PH, TikTok, Bilena Official, and on their website at www.everbelenacosmetics.com.ph. Ayan, so ito yung box. Bilena, because you deserve more than just makeup, we're adding plus factors to your beauty routine. So, hindi makeup yung pinadala nila sa akin, kundi micellar water and lip mask. Ito yung micellar water and yung lip mask nila. So, yung lip mask is na-try ko na and I am currently wearing it on my lips and I will tell you my thoughts. For the micellar water naman is hindi ko pa siya na-try and ngayon ko pa lang siya ito-try. Okay, so mauuna tayo dito sa kanilang lip mask. Lip mask, lip mask. Okay? Medyo ano. So, ang tawag pala dito sa kanilang collection, Bilena Plus. So, hindi talaga siya yung main na Bilena, which is makeup. Ito yung part nila, which is for skincare, Bilena Plus. The lip mask sells for 200 pesos. Here are the product details of the Bilena Plus Lip Mask. Just pause here if you want to know more. Ayun siya, guys. So, ito yung kanyang how to use. Ginagamit ko siya as lip gloss kasi ang ganda niya, guys. How to use. Apply a generous layer of the mask onto lips. Wipe off excess after 10 minutes or the following morning when used overnight. Pero ako, guys, hindi ko na siya wina-wipe off kasi gusto ko yung very glossy niya na effect. And ayoko na siyang tanggalin. So, yeah, I just leave it as it is. Yan, so ngayon tatanggalin ko yun siya ngayon sa lips ko. So, keep in mind, guys, meron akong singaw ngayon. So, alam niyo naman, kung meron singaw, is extra dry yung lips. Kaya, I really use lip balm or anything na maka-moisturize ng lips kung meron akong singaw. Kasi dito yung singaw ko. And that is my lips. Diba? And this is the lip mask. So, let's try it. So, ayan yung kanyang applicator, guys. And just squeeze amount. A generous amount. Ayan, okay na yan. Oh my god, can you see the effect, guys? Ang ganda niya. Pero see, this is the after and ang ganda niya. Ayaw ko na siyang tanggalin. Before, I don't really like the idea of using lip gloss kasi ang pangit niya and nakakaano siya sa hair. Like, lagi siyang dumidikit sa hair and mas gusto ko yung matte. Pero ngayon, for some reason, mas nagandahan ako sa lip gloss. Pwede nyo ito siyang gamitin as treatment or primer before you put on lipstick. So, pwede nyo ito siya gamitin bago kayo mag-lipstick. And pwede nyo ito siya gamitin after kayo mag-lipstick. And kahit hindi na kayo mag-lipstick, gagamitin nyo lang, diba? Ang ganda. And what I also like about this product is ang bango niya. Ang second product na i-review natin is itong micellar water nila, which is 250 ml and sells for 210 pesos. So, mura na siya, guys, for its size. Kasi normally, micellar water is mga ganito. Depende, guys. So, it's kind of affordable na. Here are the product details of the Bilena micellar water. And if you want to know more about it, just pause on this section. Nakakatanggal daw siya ng oil, dirt, and build-up on the skin. And hindi siya sting. Hindi siya nag-sting. I don't know really kasi karamihan talaga ng micellar water na try ko is hindi talaga siya nagsisting because it's micellar water, right? Pero I haven't tried micellar water na nagsisting. Pero I'm looking forward to this kasi Ayoko gumagamit ng mga products na nagsisting. So, I got a cotton and the micellar water. And let's try to remove our makeup. Kasi ginagamit ko talaga ang micellar water for removing makeup. I really don't use micellar water on my skincare. Kasi I have a different product for that. Pero hindi niya naman kiniklaim na ma-remove niya ang makeup. Pero doon ko lang siya ito-try kasi di ko naman siya matatry sa iba. Kasi naka-makeup naman ako ngayon. I don't know kung kailangan pa siya yung mix. Pero sanay akong mag-mix ng micellar water. Ayan, so first, let's try and remove our forehead. Mauna yung forehead. Let's see kung matatanggal niya ba. Or kung ano yung difference. Yes, natatanggal niya nga yung ating foundation. Ayan guys, so this is the foundation na nakuha sa ating forehead. Kaya try natin kung matanggal niya yung ating kilay. So, I'm still using the same, cotton. Dati kasi ganun ako eh. Una ko yung foundation and then yung, ayan siya sa first stroke. Ayan. So, natatanggal niya nga. Ayan yung totoong kilay ko. Compared to manufactured kilay. So, let's remove the kilay. Let's try to put naman sa mata. Yan, so just hold it for how many seconds. Medyo pumasok siya sa mata. And medyo mahapdi siya. Alam ko sasabihin niyo na ganun kasi bag kasi siyang ilagay sa mata para hindi siya maghapdi. Pero meron kasi akong mga ibang micellar water na try na pumasok din sa aking mata. Pero hindi siya ganito kahapdi. Ayan guys, so as you can see, ayan siya, nakatanggal niya yung aking eye makeup. Ayan, so I don't know bakit pumupula yung dito ko. So ito na guys, malinis na cotton for the other eye. Ayan na guys, so I totally removed my eye makeup and medyo pumula ako dito. I don't know why. Ayan. So, ayun na yung downside doon sa micellar water. Yung pumasok sa mata, ang hapdi niya compared to other micellar water na na-try ko. Kasi yung other micellar water na na-try ko, hindi siya mahapdi pag bigla pumasok sa mata. Pero ito siya, nung pumasok sa mata, sobrang hapdi. So, ayun na siguro yung ayaw ko kasi like, grabe ako sa eye makeup, like, todo eyeliner and mascara and all. Tapos, yun yung mahirap talagang tanggalin sa makeup na hinahanapan ko ng remover. I also wash my face with makeup remover oil after makeup. Kaya, syempre naman, hindi kasi matanggal talaga lahat ng micellar water ang makeup. Kaya kailangan pa rin natin hugasan yung mukha natin after natin mag-micellar water. So, ayun guys. Ayan na, wala tayong eye makeup and eyebrows and all. Ayan, meron naman tayong cheek makeup. Wala ko pa siya tinanggal kasi ito yung gusto kong malaman nyo and ma-review. Kasi ito yung important na matanggal. Itong upper part. Hindi yan naman kine-claim na matanggal niya ang makeup. Ang kine-claim niya lang is magtanggal siya ng oil, dirt, and other build-up sa skin. Which is totoo naman kasi natanggal niya yung makeup ko. So, kung natanggal niya yung makeup ko, ibig sabihin makakatanggal din siya ng mga dirt, oil sa mukha nyo. Ayan. Pero hindi naman talaga totally na remove yung makeup ko. Which is hindi naman siya makeup remover. Ang only downside lang na hindi ko nagustuhan is yung na may mga maliliit na na magpasok sa mata, like sobra niya kahapdi compared to other micellar water. Kaya ayun, yun lang yung hindi ko nagustuhan. Ayan guys, so my overall thoughts on Bilena Plus skincare products, which is the micellar water and the lip mask. Ang nagustuhan ko talaga is yung lip mask. Tama nga talaga sa pangalan niya guys, lip mask. I really suggest na bilhin nyo tong lip mask kasi ang ganda niya talaga. I think pag maubusan ako nito, ito na ang bilhin ko rather than lip balm. Ganito talagang kapalit for lip balm. And pwede na siyang lip gloss, lip treatment, everything. Ayun, yung micellar water, medyo hindi ko siya nagustuhan. Pero I think it's okay naman. It does what it claims. Kung gusto niyo naman siyang gamitin for your face, yung pang-cleanse lang talaga, just don't use it around your eye area kasi mahapdi siya, guys. So, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media accounts. Don't forget to follow Bilena on their social media accounts as well. Ayan guys, just a reminder, kung gusto itong bilhin, you can buy it on Watsons or Watsons online stores. The lip mask is 200 pesos and the micellar water is 210 pesos. Ayan guys, so I really hope that you enjoyed my review. Ayun lang naman. Bye!